A steamboat, also known as paddle steamer or steam ship, is propelled primarily by steam power, making a departure from traditional sailing vessels. At its heart lies steam engine, a marvel engineering ingenuity, water is boiled and boiler generating steam. This high-pressure stream is then directed into the pistons, which derive rotating shaft. Steamboats play a crucial role in the Industrial Revolution, facilitating trade, transportation, and communication across the vast distances. They connect distant ports, carry goods and passengers, even serve floating palaces for luxury travels. The legacy of steamboat endures, recalling an era when steam power ruled the waves.
The concept of temperature has evolved from the common notion of hot and cold human. Perception of what feels hot or cold is relative. The scientific definition of temperature is less ambiguous and is operationally defined as what we measure with a thermometer. To acquire a thermometer, one placed in hot water and another in cold water will show that the hot water has a higher temperature. However, a misconception is that on a cold winter morning, wood on a porch feels warmer than the metal of a pipe, even though they are in thermal equilibrium with the outside air. This difference is due to the variation in the materials. Conductivity immediately also affects our perception of temperature, as we feel much cooler on hot, humid days than on hot, dry days due to difference in sweat evaporation efficiency. Although thermometers actually measure their own temperature, they rely on the fact that any two systems in thermal contact will reach the same temperature.
Well, the formula of the quantity of heat is equal to the product of the specific heat by the mass by the change in the temperature. There's a constant here, and it's the specific heat. The specific heat is a value that each object has, depending on the object that it is. That is like the capacity, well, like it's the amount of energy required to rise the temperature of 1 kilogram of the substance by 1 Celsius. So the heat is the value of how much energy you need to increase the temperature by 1 Celsius by overall of 1 kilogram of the material of this object. So this formula, what it does is that like changing those value of 1 kilogram and 1 Celsius by multiplying the corresponding values. You have to remember that the heat is movement of the particles of an object.
Hi, today I want to explain the phase of change. There's these 4 phases of change that are solid, liquid, and gas, and plasma, but today I will specify in 3-1, that is solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, first I want to explain this tree with one example, that is water, because we can find it in the 3 forms of phase, and the first one is solid, that we can find it in an ice cube. And there's is stated in a solid way because the particles are together. Like there's a low temperature and the particles are not moving or have a little movement, and this make that they stay together. When you increase the temperature, the particles will want to move faster, and this make that one ice pass in a solid way pass to a liquid way, that is water. But then when we have the water, if you increase the temperature, this increase the amount of movement of particles and then pass to gas. And this is like the main movement, the 3 main phases of change.
There you go. Look, that's the oh my god, it's exploding. This, well, there is the